Kim, get her to go.
Kedgie, Kedgie.
Good girl.
Kedgie.
Good girl.
Go see. Go see. Good girl.
Badger, go.
Badger, come.
Babies. Good girl.
Come on, Kedgie. Come on, sweetie pie.
Good girl. Yeah, she's got 4 in.
Very Jet.
Good girl.
Good girl.
She's right behind you.
Jet's got 4 feet in.
Yeah.
Jet.
Let's start.
Good girl. Come here.
Oh, Cabot loves it, eh?
Look, Kim. Look.
Yay!
Look at the little otter.
Oh, it's so excited. Look at her go.
Right under Marley's tail.
Good girl.
Oh, good girl. You gonna cast?
I love it.
Is she actually swimming there?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Jet, come on. Jet, come on, girl. Look at her go. She looks like a little muskrat.
Look, Annette, yours is coming. Keep Kedgie there. Keep Kedgie there.
Yep, Jet.
Good girl.
Jet.
The temperature's so nice.
Hello, Jet. So nice. Yes, good girl.
Marley, huzzah.
Jet.
Marley.
Yes. Brave puppy. They're not going to need supper. These aren't even puppy size. They're just a bit big for babies.
Oh, they are huge.
They're huge for puppies. Yes, good girl.
I'm cold. Where's my blankie?
Ah, good girl.
Hi, little water dog.
Hey, got too many dogs in the way. Who invited these adult dogs in the flock? It's only been puppies. It looks like she's pooing in the
Good girl.
What is she doing? Is she,
Come on, little girl. Good
why is she all hunched up?
She's shivering. Good girl.
Yay, Annette.
That's the way.
It's a breakthrough.
Good girl. Oh, yeah, Badger, I love you too. What a good girl.
Okay, back up, Annette.
Badger, get out of the way. Come on.
Good girl.
Come, Badger. Badger, come. Badger, come.
Kedgie, where you going? Good girl.
Good girl, yes. Come on, Kitty. Come on. Look at you, punks. Ski, come on. Boy. She looks cold.
What's he doing, little Kedgie?
Freezing. Where's my freaking blanket?
Hi.
Does she have a little stick?
Yeah.
It's gonna be upside down. I filmed her upside down.